Hey plant lovers, if you've been struggling with the finicky Fiddle Leaf Fig, I've got the perfect solution for you. Meet the Ficus Audrey, the ultimate houseplant for beginners. The Ficus Audrey boasts an easygoing nature and elegant matte green leaves. Its white trunk adds a touch of sophistication, making it a perfect fit for both modern and traditional spaces. Sized to ship best, our large Audrey tree arrives ready to adapt and grow in your home. Now let's talk details. Each Ficus Audrey is unique, with sizes ranging from 32 to 38 inches tall from the soil line to the top of the foliage. They come in a 10-inch diameter grow pot, ready to thrive in their new environment. These plants love bright, indirect light and can even handle a few hours of direct sun. Water them every 2 weeks, allowing the soil to dry out in between. Remember, brighter light means more frequent watering, while lower light means less. Handling a Ficus Audrey, be careful with their white latexy sap when cleaning their leaves. Regular grooming helps them look their best. Keep an eye out for yellow leaves and wet potting mix signs of overwatering. Crispy curling leaves? That means your plant is thirsty or needs more humidity. Large ficus. Audrey plants benefit from brighter light to retain their mature foliage and require less frequent watering due to their larger soil volume. Plus, if you buy one with a planter, the planter ships separately. So if you're ready to add a touch of elegance and simplicity to your home, the Ficus Audrey is your go-to plant. Happy planting!